Hi all, and welcome to your very own Tech and More. Hope you guys are doing awesome. As part of the ongoing series that is Salesforce CPQ for beginners, welcome to one more video. In this particular video, we're going to talk about bundle configuration, everything that you need to know about it. So now I hand it over to Devdutt to start.
Thanks, Chaitanya. So, hello viewers. In our CPU training series, today we are going to understand what is bundle configuration. Bundle configuration is something like we have already learned about how to add bundles, how to create bundles, how to link two different products uh, inside a bundle so that the sales representative can sell those bundles as a complete package to the end user, to the customer, I mean. So here we understand like how exactly the bundle behavior is. Okay. So say in case like whether the bundle when we select a bundle, we add the bundle in the quote, whether it goes directly to the configuration page where we can configure the number, or maybe what else you want to add in that particular, like the quantity and etc. uh, or like whether it directly goes to the quote line editor page. Okay. So here we are going to understand four different things, that is configuration type, what are the different types of configuration, then configuration event. Okay. And the third one is option layout and option selection method. Okay. First one, we'll directly understand like how configuration type are, what are configuration type and different types of configuration. We'll just directly go to the Salesforce UI. So this is, we have already created the bundle, which is laptop 13-inch. Here, if you click on, here if you see, here is a separate section that is Salesforce CPQ configuration. Okay. You have to click on edit. Here, you'll find four different options actually. First one is none. Okay, whether you want to keep it as it is. Then the second one is required. Okay, required means whether this particular bundle is required to be configured. Okay, uh, required to be configured. It simply means the thing. The second one is allowed. Allowed means whether it is allowed to configure that particular bundle or no. Okay. And the third one is disabled. Disabled is used primarily when the bundle is already configured, as we have understood about pre-configured bundles, which is there. And depending on this configuration type, the dependency field, which is configuration event, is also changed. Okay, here in the, if say in case we select required, okay, as a option, then configuration event is populated with always option. Okay. Then say in case if we select allowed, then we have three different options, that is always, add and edit. Okay. So it has different behaviors we'll understand in detail uh, on the slides. Then we have disabled. So say in case if you select disabled option, you are not able to configure the CPQ bundle. Okay. And the drop down option in the configuration event is always. We'll directly go to the slides and understand like what are the different variations in Salesforce CPQ configuration. Okay. So here the first configuration event is none. Say in case you don't want to keep anything, just keep it as none. Say in case if you select none, then we cannot reconfigure the product. So as soon as you add the bundle, it directly comes up on the quote line editor. And here usually there is a range icon. Okay, so in case if the bundle is configurable, so here the range icon is not present. Okay, and directly quote line editor page appears instead of the configurator page where we configure the bundles. So the second type of variation is required and always. So required as in like it isn't required to configure that particular bundle. So here we have 15-inch laptop, and you have to select the appropriate option which is there, for example RAM, or maybe CPU 2.2 gigahertz i7 processor or 2.5 or 2.8, whatever it is. So initially it will take you to the configurator page. Then you can reconfigure from the line editor using the wrench icon. I have highlighted this wrench icon here. So that means that even if you have selected something, say in case you made a mistake on the configurator page by selecting a different option which is not relevant, so you can again go back from the code line editor page via this wrench icon back to the configurator page. Yes. So this is acts allowed always ensures nested bundles are completed. Okay. Then we have the third option, which is allowed and always. So that means it is allowed and it is always like we allow the sales representative or the user whoever is using this CPQ to configure the bundle. Okay, so this will directly take you to the configurator page. Here you can select the appropriate option. Then you can after that you directly go to the code line editor, and with the wrench icon you can again go back to the configurator page for making any necessary changes. So mostly use configuration type combination. This is one of the favorite options which is selected. Configuration page initially, as we discussed, and then we can reconfigure the line editor with the wrench icon. So we have the third option here, which is allowed and add. So this allows us to directly go to the configuration page. So it takes to the configuration page initially. You cannot reconfigure from the line editor because there's no wrench icon present here. Okay, and this option is rarely used. Yes. Then we have the fourth option, which is allowed and edit. So when you select allowed and edit, initially it will take you to the quote line editor page. Okay, directly when you add a particular bundle, and then by using this wrench icon, you can go back to the configurator page. Okay, say in case you don't like that particular option, you can reconfigure that thing with the wrench icon through the allowed and edit option. Then we have disabled and always. This is the last one, fourth combination. So disabled means you cannot configure this particular bundle. So with this particular option, there's no wrench icon present on the quote line editor. You directly go to the quote line editor page, and this particular bundle are usually pre-configured. So these are fixed bundle and not editable. Okay. Yeah. So we have understood like how exactly this things comes up and I've already explained you on the UI where you can find this Salesforce CPQ configuration thing. So here you can select the appropriate options. Then we'll move to the second thing, which is option layout. So this particular option layout decides how exactly you want to showcase your bundles on the configurator page. So, say in case if you select none option, okay, here it will showcase as in a particular section. Here you can see the 13-inch laptop, which is categorized in multiple features, which is processor, memory, storage. Okay. Uh, then we have the second option, uh, like uh, which is sections. Okay. So sections means like it is divided, okay, in different sections, like processor, memory, storage, and etc., uh, which is categorized. Then we have the tabs option. So when you select the tabs option, here you can see multiple tabs like processor, memory, storage. So you have to go manually and select this appropriate option, whatever bundles you want to configure. Say in case you want to select some memory options, you want to increase some memory, then you just go to that particular tab and then select the appropriate option. If you want to increase the storage, go to the storage option. Then we have the wizard. So in the wizard option, here you can see these are also categorized into different tabs, but whenever you hover on this particular tab, it doesn't get selected. So say in case like you want to move from processor to the memory option, you have to select this arrow keys, okay, which is highlighted here. So it is categorized into numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to just select the arrow keys and navigate through appropriate option and select configure those bundles. So can we have both section and tab view together? So here, like in the option layouts, products, you can also have the section view and the tab view. So how to achieve this is like, say in case you want to have internal components as the tab view, and then you can also showcase it in through different features, okay, like processor, memory, storage. So it presents in a very good way for the sales representatives to select the appropriate option. So first you have to select the option layout in the products is set to section. So option layout you have to select as sections, then utilize category field features to organize the feature into categories. Okay. So like as we have already understood in the previous video, how we can create new features and set those categories into that. So categories will be displayed as tabs, and under each tab feature associated with the categories will appear as sections. Okay, different sections. Now we'll just go to the UI and understand like how exactly you can also configure the click and add option. Okay, the option selection method. So here we have two different options. The first one is click. By this click option, you can directly go to the configurator page, and we have the radio button. So through that click options, you can select a appropriate option uh, in the configurator page and configure that particular bundle. Whereas the add option, if you select the add option, you will get an add option just below the features. Okay, after the features are listed, you find that particular add options, and through that add options you can add the appropriate product which is required. But say in case we have a business requirement that you don't want to show the total number of products in a in just a calculated thing, like say in case we added five different monitors in a configurator page. So like we have a business requirement that the number of monitors you have added, that has to be showcased in a different thing, like in a single option. So if we have five different monitors, it should be showcased in the five different tabs, okay, five different lines. So this add options is utilized in that way. So we'll just go to the product, which is our 13-inch laptop, and see how exactly it is like showcased. So here we have configured as allowed and always, and the option layout is section, and the option selection method is click. Okay, we'll just add the quote, the bundle like which is 13-inch laptop. So here when we add the laptop 13 inches, okay, which is a bundle, here you can see that when we have the sections, like we have the hardware section and the other section. So here the features are divided into different like it has been divided into different containers, which is processor, memory, and storage. Okay, then we have showcased like in this particular thing, and we have the other option where you can also showcase the second tab in the this particular bundle. Okay. Then we'll check the second bundle, which is 15-inch laptop. So here, when we select the 15-inch laptop, it directly comes to the configurator page. Okay. Here we have selected tabs option also. Like here, the first one is hardware, and the second one is essentials. Here, as we mentioned, we have selected the add-ons option. So here, you can just check this checkbox and edit the quantity, whatever number of quantity you want to select. Say like you want to select three 4K monitors. Okay, just click on save. First, this one. So like we have understood like there's some problem with this, but by this particular add-on options, you can select the uh, add-on thing. Yes. So this is all about bundle configuration. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, Devdutt. Viewers, see you in the next video. Thank you.